We bought this Citroen Jumper 2017 model to turn into our future tiny home.
And we are documenting the whole process to show you guys our journey. So follow along!
In today's video, we will be laying our vinyl floor and then we will remove a plastic part to unlock some more storage space. We will be building the bed frame and starting to wire our electrics.
Today we are finally finishing the floor and screwing these plates to the beams under the floor. I bought this vinyl roll. So now I'm going to glue the floor to the floor.
Welcome to today. Today is Saturday. Today we are doing something that might be a challenge. Okay, so you see this plastic thing? Apparently this thing is attached to something inside this pocket. So based on the YouTube videos that we've seen, we have to remove this wall.
And remove this roof and remove all the screws from this thing.
And that's just to get access to those two screws that are attaching the plastic thing. So it's we might be lucky though. If we remove this thing, we might be able to identify the placement of those screws so that we can just skip that whole removing the wall and putting it back together. We started by removing all the screws that were visible to us on this plastic storage cover. Look how cute! And then after taking out the last screw, we were finally able to take down this plastic part and then to reveal even more screws. Woo!
Careful. This is like a day of work
that we now can skip.
We saw a YouTube video of a guy who removed this bulkhead and removed all the screws around, and it's huge and massive and heavy.
But you can actually access the screws here.
Oh, twist it around. Oh, twist it around. I can get it. Get it, girl. Get it.
Okay, it's out. Let's go back and see if we can pull it out. Ah, there's more screws down there.
Just throw it up the car.
Yeah. So, for any people also doing the same but not wanting to remove the whole thing, there's one screw attached there, and then two screws in the middle on each side of that, and then one all the way on the other side. Today we are removing the double seats and switching them with this single seat over there. Woo!
We might die because of this.
Yes, Ingrid should have a mask.
Yes, I
But
guess.
we don't have a mask and all the stores are closed today because it's a holiday in Norway.
but I don't think we would have bought a mask anyway because we are stupid.
Stupid people doing stupid things.
I actually bought a mask because I felt horrible after not using one.
And then it was finally time to start installing our solar panels and start connecting and wiring all of our electrics. To attach our solar panels, I decided to use screws from underneath through our roof rack rails.
The next step is to install our shore power.
And then it was finally time to start building the bed frame. We were super excited about this because this kind of marked that we were done with all the prep work and could start building the interior of the van. just tested our electrical system and turned on one of the lights, and we also tried out the fan, and everything works.
Yes.
Everything works. Today we are securing the batteries into this square thing that will hold them in place. We're almost done with the electrical system. Just a few minor details left. After a lot of guidance and help and advice, we were finally able to put together all of our components for the electrical system, and we felt super happy about this, as we had never done anything like this before.
Thanks for watching our third episode of the van build, and stay tuned for the next one because we don't know what it will contain yet.